The Department of Horticultural Science in the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences at NC State University is recognized for its passionate and compassionate faculty that help all students reach their full potential. The goal of the faculty, staff, and students in horticultural science is to increase the quality and variety of fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants available to consumers worldwide. As a horticulture student, you will become an expert in the science, art, technology, and business of growing edible and functional plants. To learn more about the many opportunities available to students in horticultural science, go to our website, go.ncsu.edu/hort. Look under the Students tab at the top of the page to begin the cultivation of your education. We offer 2 different Bachelor of Science degrees, a Bachelor of Science in Horticultural Science and a Bachelor of Science in Agroecology. Agroecology is a unique degree because it is shared by both horticultural science and crop and soil sciences. A concentration within a bachelor's program is an area of focus for a student's education. For the BS in agroecology, students in the urban horticulture concentration become food systems leaders. There are 3 concentrations within the Bachelors of Science in Horticultural Science. Students in plant breeding and biotechnology develop the next great plant, while students in production systems and entrepreneurship grow the plants that will change the world. Students in landscape design, gardens, and urban environments use these plants to create beautiful and functional gardens and urban spaces. On our careers page, we have career profiles, videos of experts working in the field, and salary information. If you don't see your dream career on our page, check out the Seed Your Future page, which has even more, and find the career that will feed your lifelong passion. With horticultural science, your opportunities are endless. Maybe you want to be your own boss and own your own landscape company, nursery, greenhouse, garden center, vegetable or fruit farm. You can be a consultant or focus on retail and agritourism. Maybe you want to grow plants in innovative ways using hydroponics and artificial lighting. Perhaps you enjoy the integration of information needed to manage pests that threaten our plants. Or maybe you find connecting customers with growers satisfying. The artistic may find landscape design and the installation of gardens and green spaces their passion outlet. The human health benefits and environmental services of plants and gardens is a meaningful motivation for those that like to create places for people to gather, exercise, and find peace and beauty. When it comes to connecting people and plants, our parks and gardens offer endless opportunities for a horticulturist to make that happen. Our very own garden, the J.C. Ralston Arboretum at NC State, is not only a beautiful place to visit, but it is also a living laboratory for many of our classes. Plants in our urban areas enhance our lives, but they also remediate the pollution generated by urban infrastructure. Horticulturists working with municipalities blend function and beauty to create spaces for us to enjoy. When it comes to service, NC State's land grant mission is designed to meet the needs of all people. Horticulture, through extension and teaching, help people learn more about how to grow plants and the power of plants in our changing world. Research discovers and innovates to solve the problems of the horticulture industry worldwide. Our researchers, including student researchers, collaborate with partners around the globe to address the grand challenges with game-changing impacts. We hope you will join the Hort Pack and get ready to bloom. We promise to provide you a thought-provoking education, a genuine community, and an inclusive atmosphere, supported by an enthusiastic faculty, and staff. Committed, innovative faculty integrate experiential learning to inspire students to thrive in both local and global landscapes. Let's grow together.